The hamstring challenge is back. Last year it was a huge success. Members having big changes in their bodies with just 5 to 7 minutes a day. Why? How is that possible? Well, see, the hamstrings, which we often feel are tight. And what do? We lengthen, we stretch. We need to stop doing that. That's not the answer. The reason we feel tight in the back of the legs is because there's a lot of dense fascia in the back of the legs from how we live, sitting all the time, walking on concrete, just the daily activities, and with age. When our hamstring fascia is quite densified, it really torques the pelvis, creating usually reflex like this, creating low back pain, symptoms into the shoulders, the neck, and it also relays down the legs into the knees and conditions like plantar fasciitis. So what we're doing is we're sending out videos every day for the month of July, 5 to 7 minutes a day. We all have 5 to 7 minutes a day. And what this gives us is one, a daily practice, which we all know when we commit to something daily, it really makes a difference. And especially with the fascia, because it takes time to work into these dense areas and change them for the better. And we can. And two, when we impact tissue that has a lot of dense fascia like the hamstrings, it just has huge impacts on our body. So each day you're going to receive a very doable video. I'm not going to say it's easy because the work can be challenging. It's effort, but it's so worth it. It won't cause pain in the body. It will take pain out of the body. You'll feel stronger, more energized, have better posture, and enjoy many other benefits. 5 to 7 minutes a day, you'll learn a different flow each day. And this is the perfect time of year to do a challenge because we're in summer and the energy is high. It's the yang season, most yang season in Chinese medicine. So if you feel like you've failed in challenges before, it's probably because you joined them in the New Year's when our energy is down. We're in the yin season. This is the time. This is your time.